we're going to draw our own copy of The Son of Man by Magritte. So that's the one where there's the apple in front of the face of the man wearing the bowler hat. So first let's do the apple because that's going to be in front of the man. I'm going to start with the stem. So I'm going to draw a little place where the stem comes out. Go to the top of your page, but not all the way to the top, close to the top. Draw a curve. Okay, now we're going to make a stem come out. And then I'm going to add a leaf. Okay, so our apple's going to be about here because that's the stem. So now we're going to make a curve that goes behind the leaf and the stem. That's why we drew it first. So we'll go up. Don't go through the leaf. Don't go through the stem. And then back down. So there's the top of my apple. Then I'm going to come down on both sides and in a little bit. Right, and then we're going to put 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. So our first step is done, an apple. Now we're going to draw a man behind the apple. Remember, the man has a hat on, a bowler hat. So we're going to make that right coming on the top of the apple here. Go behind. Don't go through the apple. Straight across like that. Okay, now on this side put a little C. On this side put a little backward C. And then copy the line again. That's the brim of the hat. Now we just need a big curve. Okay, now we can come in a little bit, make a zigzag for the man's hair under the hat. Okay, so now we're going to make a U that goes just a little bit under the apple and up on the other side. You could put an ear on this side and an ear on this side. So now we've got the man and his face is hidden by the apple. But we've got a lot more to do on his body. We haven't done any yet. So first let's make 2 lines for his neck. And he's actually wearing a fancy suit and a tie in the picture. So put a curve. Now for his shoulders, we're going to come out and down, out and down. Okay, so now we're going to make sort of a triangle, like the bottom of a triangle here. So we'll come out and in. Out and in. That's his collar. And then we're going to put a big V. Big V. And here we're going to put a U. And then we're going to make a line on the left side and the right side of the U. There's his tie. Now we need to make his arm separate from his body. So we'll come in a little bit and put a line that comes down there. On the other side, come in a little bit, put a line that comes down there. There we go. And we can put some buttons on his suit. All right. Now the picture also has a little bit of a background. Behind the man, he's standing in front of a wall. So we're just going to put a straight line on one side, move to the other side, and finish it. And then we're going to put rectangles because it's like a stone brick wall. So we'll put a rectangle pattern. Just some rectangles on top of each other. You can make them kind of big. Okay. And there we have it. Rene Magritte, the Son of Man.